This LOS is describe risk and return objectives and how they may be developed for a client. Risk objectives. Investment objectives should include both risk and return objectives because of the trade-off between risk and expected return. Quantitative risk objectives can be absolute or relative or a combination of the two. Factors affecting investor risk tolerance. There are psychological factors as well as personal factors such as age, family situation, existing wealth, insurance coverage, cash reserves, and income. Now there's the ability to bear risk, which depends on the investment horizon, insurance, income, wealth, financial responsibilities, as well as the willingness to bear risk. Willingness depends on attitudes and beliefs about investment risk. If the willingness is greater than the ability, the advisor should go with the ability. If the ability is greater than the willingness, educate the investor about investment risk. Do not attempt to change the personality or psychological characteristics. Return objectives. Return objectives may be stated on an absolute or relative basis. As an example of an absolute objective, the client may want to achieve a particular percentage rate of return, for example, X%. This could be a nominal rate of return or be expressed in real inflation-adjusted terms. Alternatively, the return objective can be stated on a relative basis, for example, relative to a benchmark return. The benchmark could be an equity market index such as the S&P 500. Now, I've listed 4 return objectives that used to be stated explicitly in the CFA curriculum, no longer there, but I believe are still relevant. One is capital preservation. Earning a return at least equal to the inflation rate will conserve your capital. Current income, which is earning a return to generate income, normally to pay living expenses or some other planned spending need. Total return, meeting a future need through both capital appreciation and current income. And finally, capital appreciation, which is earning a return that exceeds the rate of inflation, which is the most risky objective. And that's the last slide for this LOS. Thank you.